Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Hopy and today we'll create a sparkly look. Let's start with the base. The jewels in Houseki no Kuni are very pale, so I'm neutralizing my yellow skin tone with this lilac color corrector first. It's also gonna brighten up my skin tone. Thereafter, I'm using a compact foundation with medium coverage that will keep a little dewiness to my skin. I'm skipping concealer on this part since we'll cover my dark circles with glitter anyways. Set the base with a light layer of transparent powder. For shading, I'm using a gray eyeshadow to emphasize the nose bridge a little bit. Just make sure to blend it out well. Brow time. I know Lapis Lazuli has long bangs, but just in case I'm gonna fill in my brows with a mix of grey and blue. I'll add the lenses before applying the eye makeup. Now I wish I had some blue sparkly diamond pattern lenses, so if you can get that, it would be amazing for the jewels. Prime your eyes both on the lid and under. Then I'm adding a dark blue metallic eyeshadow to the outer corner and blending it inwards and then upwards in a cat-eyed shape. Add it under your eyes as well and let it meet the cat-eyed shape. Blend the edges so it's not too sharp. On the lid, I'm adding a lighter blue metallic pigment to give the look a bit dimension. I don't have a metallic blue eyeliner, so I'm using a liquid lipstick instead. Draw a thick winged liner. Then I added some mascara as preparation before applying the false lashes. I'm using a blue glitter eyeshadow to blend out the blue a little more underneath. Don't worry if it feels too low, the glitter will add up for it. No big anime eyes without the wide liner in the waterline. Sparkling it up with a big glitter eyeliner in the inner corner. Now it's time for the fun part. I'm dabbing on a glitter gel first and then add the gold glitter on top. I'm only adding glitter to middle top and lower lid. Watch out you don't concentrate the glitter too much. I did it on one eye and had to remove it a bit afterwards. Damn jewels gotta have some glowy, shiny skin. So I'm popping in a golden highlighter as the blush. Thereafter I'm using a pigment as highlighter to emphasize all the high points. I want to keep the lips a bit neutral, so I'm using a nude warm color to mark the shape. The lips need to be shiny of course, so find your most glittery gloss to top it off. For the lashes, I made these by stacking two pair of lashes and colored them in blue mascara, pigments and glitter. Last touching point. I added some liner to the inner corner as I felt Lapis has a more sharp shape to her eyes. And the look is done! A glowy skin with lots of highlight, shiny nude lips, and bold and strong eyes. Yeah, feeling it? Oh wait, it's not really complete yet. Right, let's put on the cosplay. Complete! This jewel is ready to shine and fight some Lunarians. Or could stay in the library and read some more. Thanks for watching! If you like the look, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you're curious of how I made the wig, keep updated for a wig tutorial video. See you next time!